Team, we're out of the oven with our little garlic breads. We're gonna take a little spoon here, press it down a little bit. We are gonna make some awesome little barbecue pulled pork sandwiches. This Texas toast is awesome for these type of recipes because it's already full of flavor. So we got some pulled pork right here. And I'm telling you, with the 20 or so smokers I have in the backyard, I still bought some of this stuff. Pulled pork already with the barbecue sauce. I did not have time to do a whole pork butt for this. So we're just gonna add just a little bit in there, kind of flatten it out. Let's go in with a little smoked Gouda. What do you say? Just about a half a slice for each of these. That aside. A little smoked Gouda never hurt anybody. And it just kind of goes with the barbecue theme here. We're gonna go on top of a little mozzarella. These are gonna be nice and sweet and savory, cheesy, all that good stuff. Now we got a little French fried onions. Again, not just for the green bean casserole during the holidays. We're adding tons of flavor to these, baby. All right, there we go. All right, team, back into the oven. About 10 minutes. Get everything nice and melty and golden brown, ooey gooey, right? I'll see you in a sec. Team, we're all done. Melty, ooey gooey. Got a little barbecue sauce going over the top because why the hell not? Wise man said we're here for a good time, not a long time. Little green onions over the top. Guys, this is nothing short of spectacular. Got all those good flavors of barbecue you love with a little melty twist, a little garlic bread. Guys, you gotta make this because baby, you know it's good.